motion under a straight line, and next Newton's laws of motion, and then work, power and energy, oscillations. So these are the topics so far we have covered, and next we are going to revision these topics. సో ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్ని మనం రివిజన్ చేసి ఎంతవరకు మీకు వస్తుంది అనేది మీరు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలన్నమాట. 1 by 1 నేను రాస్తానమ్మా, మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవ్వాలా. సో టుడే విల్ బి రివిజన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ చాప్టర్స్. 5 to 6 చాప్టర్స్ కవర్ అయిపోయినాయి కదమ్మా. సో టుడే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ రివిజన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టాపిక్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ విల్ టేక్ మోషన్ ఇన్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. సో మోషన్ ఇన్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ లో సో ఫస్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ మీరు చేసిండేదే, మీరు చేసిండే క్వశ్చన్సే అగైన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు రివిజన్ బికాస్ దెర్ ఈస్ టెస్ట్ ఆన్ మండే టెస్ట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మీరు ఇవే క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసుకొని మండే బాగా ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలమ్మా. సమ్ మెటీరియల్ కూడా ఎస్టర్డే మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాము, మీకు వచ్చిందో లేదో. నంబర్స్ నాకు కాల్ చేసి స్టూడెంట్స్ అంతా అడిగినారు, ఇంకా మెటీరియల్ ఉంది ఇస్తామమ్మా, మీరు కంటిన్యూగా క్లాసెస్ కి అటెండ్ అవ్వాలా. కంటిన్యూస్ గా క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ అయితే దెన్ you will get the material also. So first of all, if u is equal to, write down the problem. If u is equal to 2i minus 2j plus 3k. So if u is equal to, and the final velocity is, and the final velocity is v is equal to I minus 4j plus 5k and it is covered okay sir, కొంచెం ఇట్లా మూవ్ చేస్తామా. సో v కనిపించడం లేదు, సో v ఇక్కడ రాస్తానమ్మా. సో v is equal to 2i minus 4j plus 5k. So v has been given and it is covered in a time of 10 seconds. In a time of 10 seconds, find the acceleration. Find the acceleration vector. So acceleration vector kanukovalama. So how you are going to calculate this one? Already manam chesinde probleme. So by taking this one formula, suitable formula chudandamma. What is the suitable formula for this one? We know that velocity is given by, we know that velocity is given by v is equal to u plus at. So velocity is given by v is equal to u plus at. In this case, acceleration is nothing but v minus u by t. So this is the acceleration. Substitute cheyandama. Substitute chesi what is the answer? Cheppandi. So v substitute cheyandama. First u has given as 2a minus 2j plus 3k. And the velocity is 2i minus 4j plus 5k. Substitute cheyandamma. Substitute chesi answer cheppandi. So 2i minus 4j plus 5k. So this is the value of v minus, very good. Somebody is answering k minus j by 5. Very good. So that is the answer. Very good. Somebody is answering the question. So here you can see Hari and then Lakshmi. Very good. So that is the answer. Directly you can substitute here because already we have done this problem. 2i minus 2j plus 3k by t. Time is 10 seconds. Okay. Substitute chesi cheppandamma. So what is the answer for this one? A is equal to k minus j by 5. So that is the answer. Very good. All are answering the question. Very good. And Hari and then Narendra, very good. You please give your names ma. Name పెట్టి మీరు దీంట్లో కాలింగ్ కి చేసుకోండి, ఓకేనా? నేమ్ పెడితే సో దట్ వీ కెన్ నో యువర్ నేమ్స్, ఓకేనమ్మా? వెరీ గుడ్. ఆల్ ఆర్ ఆన్సరింగ్. K-J/5 is the answer. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో లైక్ దట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా మనము చేసేటట్లు ఉండాలన్నమాట. సో దట్ మనకి ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది అని చెప్పలేము, ఓకేనమ్మా? సో ఆల్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. So next we move on to the next problem. Those who don't know the answer, then they can note down ma. ఎవరైతే ప్రాబ్లం రాలేదో వాళ్ళు నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Then we move to the next problem. So this is the revision ma, because Monday you are going to attend the exam. Monday exam ఉంది కాబట్టి again మనం రివిజన్ చేస్తున్నాము. So okay ma, already got the answer? Very good. Next we move on to the next problem. So next problem move అయిదాము. సో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలమ్మా, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే మీకు వస్తాయి, ఓకేనా? సో ఇదే వస్తుంది అదే వస్తుంది లేదు. సో ఆల్ ఆర్ ఆన్సరింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్, మేఘనా అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ ఆన్సరింగ్. సో అంటే మీరు టచ్ లో ఉన్నారనమాట. సో ఏ బాడీ మూవ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ మా. A body moves 6 meters north, and 8 meters east, and 10 meters west. Then what is its resultant displacement? What is its resultant displacement? Resultant displacement from the initial position. So here this is the problem given ma. So solution, how you are going to attempt this solution, okay na? So oka body vachesi 6 meters north, 8 meters and 10 meters. These quantities have been given. So how to calculate the resultant displacement from the initial position? Okay, change amma. So what is the simplest one formula? We know that R is equal to xi position vector plus yj plus zk, okay na? And next R is equal to, if you take modulus, then this goes to x square plus y square plus z square, okay na? So modulus of this one, okay. Then what is the answer for this one? So here you have to find the resultant displacement. Very good, somebody is answering 10√2. Very good. So substitute change amma. 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. So if you squaring all the ones, then you are going to get 10 into √2. And we also know the value of √2. √2 value telusu kadamma. Then you can substitute here also 1.414. Directly you can substitute, then it goes to 14.414. So answer will be very good, Gauri. So R goes to 14.14 is the resultant displacement, okay nama? So suppose the problem, so answer 10 into √2 unte okay. Suppose the answer is like this 14.14 undanukondi, then you have to do the value, you have to substitute for √2 also, okay nama? So this is the problem when 6 meters, 8 meters and 10 meters has given, then how to find the resultant displacement, okay nama? So this is one of the problem. And next we move on to the next problem. So we are moving to the next problem. These are all the revisions ma. Already manam ee problem chesnamu. So again we are doing because of test meeku Monday undi kabatti, so we are doing revision again. So next we are moving to the next problem. So how to do small problems and bigger problems. ఏ విచ్చినా కూడా చేసేటట్లు ఉండాలి, చిన్నవని చెప్పేసి వదిలేయకుండా. And next we are moving to the third problem. So the resultant of two forces whose magnitudes are ఇచ్చినాడమ్మా ఇక్కడ. magnitudes are in the ratio 3:5. 3:5 is 28 Newton. 28 Newton. If the angle of inclination is 60 degrees, then find the magnitude of each force. So each force magnitude కనుక్కోమని చెప్పినారమ్మా. So this is the problem given. So if the resultant of two forces has been given as in the ratio 3:5. 3:5 ratio ఇచ్చినారు, and that must be 28 Newton. If the angle is given as 60, then find the magnitude of each force. Magnitude of each force కనుక్కోవాలమ్మా ఇక్కడ. So how you are going to do? So what is the formula for this one, ma? So we don't know. So here given ఏమేమి ఇచ్చినారు రాసుకోండమ్మా. So R is 28 Newton. R ఇచ్చిన resultant, and then theta is given as 60 degrees. Okay, and next the formula F1 is 3 and F2 is 5. So in the ratio, and F1 taken as, suppose displacement is taken as x. So 3x into 5x, where x is the displacement. X అనేది ఇక్కడ displacement అమ్మా. So x goes to displacement here. Therefore resultant formula రాసుకోండి. So how do you do this one? Resultant formula R is equal to square root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. Okay, substitute cheyandama. Substituting, then what is the answer? Then you can get here R is equal to, sir, so substituting here, then F1 square is 3x whole square plus 5x whole square plus 2 times F1 is 3x and F2 is 5x into cos theta value is 60 degrees. So cos 60 degrees. So substituting all the values, then we can get here as, so square root of 3x square. Square cheyandamma. 9x square plus 25x square plus atla teesayandi. So plus this multiplication you will get cos 60 is 1/2. So 15x square, 15x square here you can get. So cos 60 is 1/2 and 15 multiply cheyandi ikkada. 15 into 2 is 30. So 30. So here when you cancel this one, so 15 into x square. So like this. So what is the answer, ma? Very good. F1 is 12. And then F2 is 20. Very good. So answer has been given. RP has given the answer, and Sanappa Reddy, Kalpana, and so the answer will be, so resultant R goes to 7x and Resultant ikkada ichchinaadamma 28. So resultant has been given as 28 and this goes to 7x. So x is equal to 4. So x అనేది 4 వస్తుందమ్మా. So somebody has already done this problem. Already చేసేసినారు. సో ఎవరైతే చేయలేదు వాళ్ళు చేసుకోండమ్మా. x వాల్యూ 4 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. సో x goes to 4 and then f1 వాల్యూ రాయండి. f1 is 3x. f1 is 3x. 3 into 4 is 12 Newton and f2 is 5x. So 5 into 4 is 20 Newton. So this is the answer. Okay, very good. So all are following the problems. Very good. Very good. F1 12 and 20. Gauri. And next we move on to the write down ma. Note cheskondama. Revision. This is the revision because we are going to. You are going to write the exam on Monday. Monday exam రాస్తారు కాబట్టి సో ఈరోజు కొంచెం రివిజన్ చేసుకోండి. రాస్తున్నారమ్మా? అయిపోయింటే ఓకే చెప్పండి. దెన్ వి మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్, చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే చేసుకోండమ్మా. ఓవర్ అయిపోయింటే ఓకే పెట్టండి. ఓకే, ఓవర్ వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓవర్. Next we move on to the next problem. So these are all the revision questions. Okay, already చేసినాం కాబట్టి మీరు తొందరగా ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాలా నాకు. Next, a particle has an initial velocity. A particle has an initial velocity 3I plus 4j and an acceleration ఇచ్చినాడమ్మా ఇక్కడ. So acceleration is 0.4I plus 0.3j. Okay, 0.4I plus 0.3j. Its speed after 10 seconds is dash. Speed kanukovalamma ikkada. So initial velocity has been given. What is the suitable formula? Yes, what is the suitable formula? So here initial velocity mm ichna raskondamma. Given initial velocity is u is 3I plus 4j and acceleration is also given here. Acceleration ichna chudandamma 0.4I plus 0.3j. Okay, and time is t 10 seconds. T time is 10 seconds. Okay, so what is the formula? So related formula is v is equal to u plus at. So this is the formula. So manam em kanukovala chudandamma ikkada speed. So we have to find the speed. Just substituting and give the answer ma. Already we have done this problem. V is equal to u plus at. So 3I plus 4j plus acceleration 0.4I plus 0.3j into time is 10. Multiply chesi substitute chesi answer cheppandamma. Square root of 7 square mod. Very good. Velocity speed is 7I plus 7j. Very good. 7I plus 7j. Very good. 7I plus 7j. Very good. So that is the answer ma. So here velocity is 7I plus 7j. So like this we have to do. When the question was given as velocity, initial velocity ichna acceleration ichna, then speed is find the speed after 10 seconds. Okay, 7I plus 7j. Very good. So very good. Next we move on to the next problem. Write down ma. Note cheskondi. Then we move on to the next problem under Newton's laws of motion. So Newton's laws of motion lo what are the important problems manam discuss chestamu. So these are the revision questions. 5 to 6 questions manam ippudu revision chesnamamma. Okay. And next we move on to the Newton's laws of motion. ఎవరైతే absent అయినారో వాళ్ళంతా కూడా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూసుకోండమ్మా. So revision, we are doing revision. Next, Newton's laws of motion. Over ma? Over. Then next one. So we move on to the next problem. Write down the next problem under Newton's laws of motion. So a body of mass is 3.513 kg is moving along the x-axis. Note cheskondamma. Moving along the x-axis. Note cheskondi. Along the x-axis with a speed of 5 meter per second. Speed of 5 meter per second. Then the magnitude of its momentum. Magnitude of its momentum is dash. So that is a problem given ma. So solution, a body of mass ichnaru, speed ichnaru, find the momentum. So what is the suitable formula for this one ma? Given simplest problem ఇది. Okay, సింపుల్ కొన్ని వస్తాయి, తర్వాత కొంచెం టఫ్ గా ఉండేవి వస్తాయి. సో అన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలా మీరు. చెప్పండి అమ్మా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ హియర్? మాస్ హాస్ బీన్ గివెన్ m as 3.513 and velocity speed as 5 meter per second. Then momentum c is equal to m into v. Just multiply. Answer will be do it ma. చేయండి, చేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి అమ్మా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్? జస్ట్ మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ 3.513 into 5. This goes to 17.565. 17.565 kg meter second power minus 1. 17.565. Okay. So like that we have to do practice cheyala. Then we move on to the next problem. Note cheskondama, note cheskondi. Then we'll move to the next problem. Over అయిపోయింటే ఓకే చెప్పండమ్మా. If it is over, then we'll move to the next problem. Over. Okay. So next one. Next problem. Okay. Next problem. Sum of magnitudes of the two forces acting at a point is 16 Newton if their resultant is normal to the smaller force smaller force and has a magnitude of 8 Newton magnitude ఇచ్చినాడమ్మా ఇక్కడ. Then find the forces. Write down the problem ma. Note చేసుకోండి. Note చేసుకున్న తర్వాత then how you are going to do this problem. Okay. Note చేసుకోండి. First you have to note down some of the magnitudes of the two forces acting at a point is 16 Newton. Sum ఇచ్చినాడమ్మా ఇక్కడ. Sum of the two forces. Suppose you are taking the two forces F1 and F2. So F1 plus F2 sum is 16 Newton and the resultant is having magnitude 8 Newton. Resultant వచ్చి 8 Newton ఇచ్చినాడు. Find the forces. So how you are going to do this problem? So first solution రాసుకున్న తర్వాత given ఏమేమి ఇచ్చినాడు రాసుకోండమ్మా. So F1 plus F2 is given as 16 Newton. Sum of the two forces. And then resultant force is, so resultant force is perpendicular to the force given F. F ఎంత ఇచ్చినాడంటే 8 Newton ఇచ్చినాడు. Okay. So how to do this one? F2 square minus F1 square is resultant goes to F square. Okay. So here, so F2 square minus F1 square is F square. So F square అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 8 ఇచ్చినాడు. So 64 will come. F2 square minus F1 square అంటే F2 plus F1 into F2 minus F1. So A plus B, A minus B. So F1 plus F2 value substitute cheyandama. 16 Newton multiplied by F2 minus F1 is 64. And therefore F2 minus F1 is equal to, after cancellation, cancel చేసిన తర్వాత F2 minus F1 ఎంత వస్తుందంటే 4. You note down ma. F2 minus F1 is 4. Okay. Therefore from equations 1 and 2 equations nunchi F1 value F2 value kanukkoni cheppandama. So what are the values for F1 and F2? F1 is wrong ma. F1 6. Very good. F1 is 6 and F2 is 10. So calculate chesi. F1 is 6. Very good. F1 is 6. After solving these two problems, two equations, after solving these two equations 1 and 2 solve cheyandamma. F1 goes to 6 Newton and F2 is 10 Newton. Okay. Answers istunnaru andaru. So F1 is 6 and F2 is 10. Manoj and then Kalpana. So these are the students who are following regularly to the classes. Very good ma. So they are also giving the answers also. So regular ga follow ayi regular ga attend avandamma classes ki. And next okay Arjun next okay madam. Okay ma. Is it over? Next we move on to the next simplest problem. One of the problem. Next one. Calculate the time needed. Calculate the time needed. Calculate the time needed for a net force of 5 Newton. Net force of 5 Newton to change the velocity of 10 kg mass, 10 kg mass by 2 meter per second. So time is needed. So time kanukovalama. In this case, we have to calculate the time. Okay. Huh? Time kanukodama. So what are the quantities given here? Time force ichinaru. So given force is 5 Newton and change in velocity is change in velocity raskondama. So how to write the change in velocity here? Change in velocity is v minus u. V minus u is 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second ichinaramma. And then we have to calculate time. Time etla kanukuntaru cheppandi. What is the formula? Suitable formula. So according to Newton's second law, formula emostundamma? F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. Answer is 4 seconds. Very good. Very good. So 4 seconds. F is equal to ma after substituting. Very good. So we have to substitute here as m into acceleration. Acceleration substitute cheyandamma. Acceleration is nothing but v minus u by t. Okay. So t is equal to m times v minus u by f. Substitute cheste manaku 4 seconds. Very good. All are answering. T is 4 seconds. Gauri. So t is 4 seconds. So substitute cheyandamma. Substitute chesin tarvata then we'll get time as 4 seconds. When v minus u is 2 substitute cheyandi and mass has been given here. So all substituting then we'll get 4 seconds. Mass is 10. Ikkada ichinaru chudamma, mass is 10 here. Mass m is 10 kg. Okay, substitute chesin tarvata then we'll get 4 seconds. Very good. So 4 seconds. So andaru answers istunnaru. So all are following. And next Monday exam ki andaru baga prepare ayi ravala so that marks out of ravala. Okay namma. Next we move on to the next problem. Next problem, a ball is falling with velocity. Write down ma. A ball is falling. A ball is falling with velocity. Velocity ichinaramma ikkada. So with velocity v is equal to minus 0.65 I minus 0.35 j. So this is the velocity given meter second power minus 1. Velocity ichinaramma is subjected to a net impulse. Net impulse of I is equal to 0.6 I plus 0.18 joules. If the ball has a mass of 0.275 kg, calculate its velocity. Calculate its velocity immediately after the impulse. So velocity kanukovala. So here velocity ichinaramma vi and impulse has been given. So calculate its impulse. So what is the suitable formula for this one? So formula raskondamma. Suitable formula is m into vf minus m into vi, because mass is same here. So is equal to impulse. So this is the formula. You can take m times vf minus vi is I. or VF minus VI is equal to I by M, or VF is equal to VI plus I by M. Substitute cheyandamma. All the values we have to substitute here because VI ichchinadu, I ichchinadu and M. Mass also given 0.275. Substituting all the values, then you can find the value of VF directly. VF directly you can substitute here. VF is equal to Chepandamma Chandana. What is the answer? Done. Done. Okay. You have done this problem. We are revision. Revision is going on, ma, because Monday there is exam, na. That's why we are revision is taking place here. In 5 to 6 topics. Okay. What is the answer? You have to tell. Answer Chepandamma. VF substitute cheyandi, VI substitute cheyandi. Minus 0.65 minus 0.35 plus I is 0.6I plus 0.18 joules by M. M is 0.275. So calculate this one and give the answer. Okay. Give the answer for this one. So after calculation, you are going to get 1.53 I plus 0.305 J meter second power minus 1. So this is the answer, ma. You are going to get answer is 1.53 I plus 0.305 J meter second power minus 1. Okay. So you can give your comments also, ma, to my number, to my phone number. You know already my phone number. You can give comments for this classes, physics class particularly. So how the class is going on, you can give feedback also to my number. You know the already my number, nama. Okay. You know my number. Yes or no? Comments మీరు పెట్టచ్చమ్మా feedback లో. Comments, you can give your comments. Okay. You can give your comments to my phone number. To my phone number, I am writing here 8074916706 is my number. So you can note down my number and send the feedback. Then we'll give some more problems. If you are needed, then we'll do some more problems and some more explanation. Okay. Inka explanation kavala anukunte meeru, inka problems kavala anukunte, then meeru dintlo forward cheyandamma. Comments meeru pettandi, feedback. Okay. So last problem. Coming to the last problem. And Monday prepare ayi meeru Monday exam raayalamma. So last problem today and practice cheyandi intlo kuda. So calculate the time needed. Calculate the time needed. Calculate the time needed for a net force of 5 Newton. For a net force of 5 Newton to change the velocity of a 10 kg mass by 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second. So this is the problem given. So అన్ని పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉండవు, అన్ని చిన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉండవు. సో అన్ని వస్తాయి కాబట్టి మీరు అన్ని నేర్చుకోవాలా. ఓకే. ఓకేనమ్మా. Somebody wants మెటీరియల్ మీకు గ్రూప్స్ లో పెడతామమ్మా. Okay na Shravani? Material girls group and boys group, 2 groups are there. In that group we are giving the material. Already completed ma, because we are doing revision, because Monday exam undi kada. So Monday exam undani cheppesi inkosa revision chestanamu. Meeru ఏ టాపిక్స్ రివిజన్ చేసుకొని రావాలంటే those topics which are covered, ఏ టాపిక్స్ అయితే కవర్ అయినాయో దాంట్లో మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలా. ఫస్ట్ సమ్ టాపిక్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా, మోషన్ ఆఫ్ మోషన్ ఇన్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్, న్యూటన్స్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ మోషన్, వర్క్ పవర్ అండ్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ ఆసిలేషన్స్. సో ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్ని ఫస్ట్ కవర్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి అమ్మా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ హియర్? F is 5 Newton. ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. అండ్ M is 10 kg. And then if change in velocity V minus Q is, what is V minus Q? 2 meter per second. So F goes to, okay. Time చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Time is 4 seconds. Okay. Very good. So today we complete this one ma.